Hey guys, welcome to Africa University Training Academy. My name is Robert, your online instructor. Do you really know you can build a website for your business or your portfolio within 5 minutes? That sound impossible? Relax, it's possible. Because in 5 minutes, I will show you on how to build a professional website, just like this one you're seeing here. And we are going to do this in 3 steps. Step 1, search for wix.com and click to open the site. As you can see, create a website without limits, and that's exactly what we are going to do. Click on Get Started. Here you will be required to sign up as first user. You can sign up using your Facebook account or your Google Gmail account, but I will suggest using your email. Enter your email, confirm your email, enter your password and confirmed, then click on Sign Up. Then you follow the instruction to start generating your website in minutes. Who are you creating a website for? I choose for myself and my business. Then click Continue. Asking you to bring your ideas to life with AI? For now, we don't need the use of AI. Click on Set Up Without Chat. First, what is your site all about? Quickly write what the website is about. For me, I will just enter promoting my school. But for you, you can make more details about your website here. Then continue. Next, what do you want to call your site name? I will call it Africa Uni Academy. As you can see, it even suggests some names for you. If you like, you can select, otherwise, just go with your business name. Continue. Next, what are your goals for this site? Check the suggestion given to you, or just enter your own. Mine, I will use Get More Students, and continue. As you can see, we are about to get our brand new website in minute. How cool is that? Now here is giving you more options to add some widget, some apps to your website to enhance your goals. Look at the themes one by one and select any one you would like to use on your website. Otherwise, for me, I just click on Continue. Wow, the website is being created, taking you to your site dashboard for Africa Uni Academy. This is cool, guys. Remember, we don't pay for this professional website. No domain name or hosting. Everything is free. And you can build as many websites as possible using same methods. Congratulations, now we are in the dashboard of our website. This will take us to the next step.
Now is loading the editing version. To edit is very simple. I will show you just now. If you enjoy and learn from this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and click ring the bell so that you get notification every time I drop in another new educational video. Now we can edit our website. At the top right corner here, click on Edit Site. Then you be asked on how would you like to design your website. You may want to generate a design with AI or simply use Customize a Template. For this tutorial, we use Pick a Template. As you can see, here are different website templates in different categories. Depends on the website you want to build. We have business, store, creativity, community, and so on. For this tutorial, let's choose under business here. I click on real estate. And wow, see, different beautiful website templates you can use for free. You can view each to see before edit and check all one by one. Once you find the one you like to use, then just click on Edit. I will use this construction company. I click on it. Now is loading the editing version. To edit is very simple. I will show you just now. Here we go. The website is ready for editing, and everything here is editable, from text to image. Go on now to continue edit it and make it your own. Let's preview how the website will look like after publishing. Click on Preview. Wow, just look at this. The website is ready. Go back to Edit and continue editing until you are okay, and click on Publish to make it live on internet. Copy your website link, share with your clients and friends, put in your bio on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to promote your business. As you can see, we did not spend any cent in creating this professional website. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly help share with friends. Click subscribe and like the video. Do not forget to ring the bell as well for notification. Thank you, and see you again soon.